Okay, welcome to Music Theory. This is the first lesson, and we're going to go over some of the fundamentals of sound and also of musical notation. The component of all this is what are the properties that make up sound or music as we know it. We've got to get a clear understanding of that first, okay? So music is really made up of pitch, and as you can see, I have a piano over here. Right? That's our piano, and that's the pitches, the notes. Also, we have the dynamics, how loud and soft things are. We also have the timbre. What kind of sound is the instrument? And I can do this. I changed the timbre, and that was probably like a tuba or something like that, right? And then finally the duration. How long are things played for? 2, 3, 4, or... How long are they held? Are they played at a regular pace? 1, 2, 3, 4. Are they played at twice that pace? 1 and 2 and 3 and... That's what we call duration and rhythm. So 4 components to music, right? There's going to be the pitch, the notes that we have to play. There's going to be how loud we play them. There's going to be what kind of sounds we're playing them with. And of course, how often we play them. Or rhythm. Pitch, dynamics, which is how loud or soft, the timbre, which is the sound of the instrument, the tone of the instruments, and of course the duration or rhythm. So glad that we're clear on that issue. Now let's go on to the first part of studying these issues in the next lesson on rhythm.